Make every moment unforgettable with our Sublimation Blanks MDF wall clock. Crafted from durable MDF material, this clock is lightweight, sturdy, and designed with a smooth white surface, perfect for vivid, full-color sublimation printing. Add photos, quotes, patterns, or logos to create a truly one-of-a-kind timepiece that doubles as functional decor. Whether for homes, classrooms, offices, or custom gifts, it's a stylish way to keep track of time while showcasing creativity. Easy to hang and designed to stand out, it's perfect for personal projects, resale, or unique giveaways. Don't just watch the time, make it yours. The MDF wall clock, customized for every hour.